Hello guys, my name is Shubham. I am from western-technology.com. So today I'll be speaking about the important concept of Angular. Okay, so let's discuss about what is Angular, why we need to learn Angular, why it is very famous in market. That's what we'll be discussing today. So Angular is kind of a framework of JavaScript which gives you flexibility to create web applications and websites. What we need to know before learning Angular, we need to know something called TypeScript. What is, see, if you will be joining my sessions, okay, you don't need to know anything. You don't need to, see, a lot of things are required. We need to know HTML, CSS, TypeScript, okay, but if you will join, you don't need to know. Everything will be covered in detail in the sessions only. So how sessions will look like, it will be from basic to advanced. It's kind of a project oriented way. We will not be making project which will take like 7 to 8 months, but we'll be doing things, we'll be making projects which will take around some time. It's not like we'll be making only one project kind of stuff. We'll be making several applications. Your whole session of Angular will be spread in 10 to 15 applications. You'll be making application for each concept that we'll be learning. So what is Angular and why it is very famous? The Angular concept is famous because it is a framework which provides a lot of advanced feature that is not there. Okay, consider like directives, routing, dependency injections. All these things makes life easier. If you will talk about directives, conditions, like if you want to do conditioning, okay, and then if you want to do routing of from one link to another link, all these features are provided by Angular. Okay, there are some other features also like drag and drop. If you want to create something very fast like heavy development, okay, you have to use the feature of drag and drop. Okay, now when you will be creating an Angular project, okay, you don't need to create your file manually. Okay, there we have something called CLI feature in Angular. What is the CLI feature? That the CLI feature is called command line interface feature. With the commands in the command prompt, you will be writing some codes, which is one line code or 3-4 word code. Okay, and then you will be creating a project. So how actually it will work? Please come join the sessions, take demo for free, then we'll be discussing things in a proper way. Okay, and here in Angular it's like it is in very high demand. Okay, people are using, companies are using. Okay, nowadays a lot of companies are like, if you want to apply, if you are a fresher, if you are in engineering college, you can do internship with Angular thing. Okay, and then if you are an expert software developer, you can learn and then you can switch to other technologies. So these are the things which Angular provides you. These are the things which Angular helps you. Okay, now with Angular we don't have to write code much. Okay, it's kind of like you are reducing the entire code here. Okay, it's very easy to integrate things in Angular. Okay, and cross-platform integration is also there. Okay, so whatever we will be learning, whatever we have, like whatever we'll be discussing, it will be kind of project-oriented way. Okay, you'll be making small applications in each sessions. Okay, and at last you will be having some small project kind of stuff, okay, which will make things easy for you to apply to jobs. Okay, this is what I would like to tell in the video. If you like the video, please press the bell button, like and subscribe the icon. Thank you.